YouTube, it's Dana Dane coming to you guys with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you our full makeover for our bathroom. It's not a renovation, it's just a makeover. The previous owner painted this maroon, mahogany, dark burgundy, whatever you want to call it. And I'll insert a before and after picture so you guys can take a look. But here is the finished bathroom. It took about 4 coats of between paint and primer to change the color. And if you guys would like to know what color this is, just leave me a message in the description box and I will be sure to get back with you to let you know what color the bathroom is. Instead of artwork, I decided to use these hooks here to hang our bath towels, and I believe it just gave it a pop of color. This is the vanity area, and I decided to put a small stool right here just to help me put my shoes on. So I didn't want it to be big. I want it to be something small for my shoe height. I love that the bathroom has plenty of mirrors. And I went with this color scheme because our master bedroom is the same color. This little earring holder is a DIY. And we women always lose one earring for some reason or another. So I made this in order to keep up with my earrings. This here is just a little display of all my lotions and potions. I would not recommend these sink bowls to anyone because they are desperately hard to keep clean, but we kept them because I thought they were pretty cute and that they matched with the color scheme that I was going with. I love this tub after a hard day of work. It's very relaxing and soothing. This is my husband's side. And again, I tried to keep it fairly simple. A lot of these odds and ends as far as the decorative pieces, they were all picked up from Target, Ross, Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, or Burlington. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little bathroom makeover. Again, if you have any questions, please leave a message and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Any critiques, I gladly accept. Also, please subscribe, hit that notification button for all of my future videos, and have a blessed day.